Think I'm done talking about old fashions yet? Welcome back. I hope everyone enjoyed their Independence Day holiday. And today we're going to talk about another old fashioned variant. Now, I know some people are going to look at me and say, why? And because I want to show that there is an idea that you can bring to the table and actually be able to create a old fashioned out of a lot of things. And I was thinking one night, and I know some people would say that's a dangerous thing because I overthink. I had made this honey syrup, which is still going strong. 3 parts honey, 1 part water. And I was trying to think of what else I could use with it. And it came to me. Let's make an old fashioned with it. And so I present to you what I call the Texas Sunset. Let's get into it. Grab your ice. Honey syrup, again, this is 3 to 1. You can go 2 to 1. You can go 1 to 1, as long as you have a honey syrup. Honey syrup, gonna want a 1/4 of an ounce. We need Peychaud's bitters, 3 dashes of Peychaud's bitters. Reason I want Peychaud's is the anise and the honey actually go well together. And now 2 ounces of bourbon. The reason it's called Texas Sunset is actually because of what I use. I use Bulleit. You can use whatever you want. I'm just thinking Bulleit, Frontier. I think Texas. It makes sense to me. You can use Texas whiskey if you want. If you have Balcones, Andalusia, Gulf Coast, anything, Crowded Barrel. If you have any whiskey from Texas or Frontier or any bourbon, you're good. So 2 ounces of bourbon. Give us a stir. That'll work. A good garnish for this would be a lemon twist, because that would play, again, well with the honey as well as the anise. And so, another old-fashioned variant, the Texas Sunset. Cheers. Yes. All the yes. It's a good cocktail. You get the sweetness from the honey. The bitters come in. And then the whiskey just carries it through. It's a good pairing, of the old-fashioned variants. I like this. I like the Speedway. I like the old-fashioned, depending on how it's made. But this to me is my preferred old-fashioned style recipe. If you tell me you have to utilize whiskey. You tell me you can pick rum, I'll pick a rum old-fashioned any day, twice on Sundays. If you like the video, please hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to let me know. Have you had old fashions? Are you planning on having a Texas Sunset? If someone has actually created this cocktail before and called it something else, let me know so I know I am in the wrong. Because Lord knows, someone probably has created this. If they have, I'd like to know about it. You can find me on my socials down the block below. I try to be on my personal YouTube page, youtube.com, Scott W. Smith. I try to be there on Saturday nights, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Play a game, maybe make a Texas Sunset, or make another drink and just have a good, nice, chill time. Until next time, thank you for watching. I will be back real soon with another cocktail. And this has been The Beginner's Bar.